In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove salutations from names in Google Sheets with Regex Replace. Let's get started by opening Google Sheets on your desktop. Make sure you have a sheet with names that include salutations like Mr., Mrs., Miss, or Doctor, for example, Mr. Alex Doe or Dr. Jane Smith. We're going to create a clean version of those names without the titles, and we'll do it with a simple formula so you can apply it to as many rows as you need. First, click the cell that contains the name with the salutation so you know which reference you'll use. Then move to an empty cell where you want the cleaned name to appear. Type Regex Replace to start the formula. Now click the original name cell to insert its reference and add a comma. That first part tells Google Sheets which text you want to modify. Next, we'll add the pattern that targets the salutation. Inside quotation marks, type Plaus B, Mr. Plaus, Mrs. Za, is Plaus, Daras, S. Here's what that means. Plaus B is a word boundary, so the match starts at the beginning of the title. The group, Mr. Plaus, Mrs. Slaus, M. Slaus, Dr. Plaus, lists the exact salutations we want to remove. The backslash before the period makes sure we match a literal dot. And Plaus captures an optional space after the salutation, so you don't end up with an extra leading space in the cleaned name. Regex Replace replaces whatever matches your pattern with something else. In our case, we want to replace the salutation with nothing. So after the pattern, type a comma, 2 double quotes with nothing between them, and then close the parenthesis. Your formula will look like this. Regex Replace, A2, Plaus B, Mr.'s, Mrs. Zas, M. Spla, Dieter Plaus, S. Press Enter, and you should see the salutation removed. For example, Dr. Jane Smith becomes Jane Smith, and Mr. Alex Doe becomes Alex Doe. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that the period is included in the pattern and that quotes are straight quotes, not curly ones. The optional space in the pattern ensures you won't have a stray space at the beginning of the name. From here, you can drag the fill handle down to apply the same formula to other rows. If you want to keep the cleaned values and remove the formulas, copy the results and use Paste Special, then Values Only. If your data includes other titles, add them inside the parentheses separated by a vertical bar, like Professors or Sir. And if you have inconsistent capitalization, you can make the pattern case insensitive by adding I at the start of the quoted pattern. That's it. Quick, clean, and scalable.